Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's honor to Vice President of University of Colombo, Prof. Indika Mahes Karunatile, all keynote speakers, Emeritus Professor Saroj Jaya Singhe from Faculty of Medicine, University of Colombo, and Mr. Stephen Weiber from External Affairs Director, International Federation Library Association, and all the invited speakers. I will introduce myself. My name is Indres. I serve as librarian at the part of cataloging and publication teamwork, the center library, the Center Bibliography and Cataloging Division at the National Library of Indonesia. Today, I want to share a topic about the social responsibility librarian as manifestation of the library roles in upholding the nation dignity is a topic that lies at very heart of our profession and our identity as a nation. Indonesia as a context a library's roles in an age of information overload and increasing societal polarization. The library is not merely a storage house for books. It's also a fortress of national intellect and bastion of the truth. This is a point about an Indonesia as archipelago nation with rich diversity. Uh, here is a past. This is a very vast archipelago comprising thousands of islands. Indonesia is characterized by its immense cultural, ethnic, and linguistic diversity, forming a unique national identity. And also constitutional mandate is equitable education and library service, which constitution ensures equitable access to education and information, uh, positioning libraries as key institution to promote literacy and lifelong learning. And the strategic roles of library in national development. Library are vital for national progress, developing human resource, foresting professional ethic, and building infrastructure and for information access. National and the primary goal of this presentation is to explore how daily action from collection development to community engagement are direct manifestation of a greater responsibility to nurture and inform equitable and dignified citizenry because our National Library has a new vision is serving for national dignity, or we call in bahasa perpustakaan hadir demi martabat bangsa. Let's begin the grounding ourselves in the fundamental principle of our work is the essence of librarian social responsibility. The first is professional ethic, and it's mean adherence to core value, accountability, and consciousness in serving delivery, guiding the profession principle and aspiration, and information justice, ensuring the equitable access to data and information for all individual and community, facilitating full participating in the information age. Then the right to information. Library is the right to information is guarantee free, open and unimpeded access to diverse knowledge and resources as fundamental human right. And for instance, the fourth is information integrity and neutrality. Its main commitment, librarian is commitment to providing unbiased, reliable, authentic information free from manipulation and prejudice. And librarian is supporting democracy and intellectual freedom, active, acti- actively advocating for open access to ideas, protecting diverse viewpoints, and promoting inference inquiry crucial for democratic society. Fundamentally, our responsibility is twofold. Is to preserve knowledge and to ensure equitable access. This goes beyond mere technical duty is a moral and ethical commitment to the public good. At, and now that we have established this foundation, let's explore our role in the field. For instance, librarian empowering a community member with reliable health data directly contribute to their dignity and well-being. And let's look at the librarian direct role as frontline of public service. Librarian is providing access to quality information. Librarian has knowledgeable guides helping library user library users navigate, visit collection to find and utilize authority information, ensuring access to diverse resources. And it, we are the first responders to information needs. This involves not just answering queries, but teaching information literacy, facilitating literacy and technology education. Libraries serve as expert in literacy and technology, providing essential training and guidance for community to adapt evolving digital landscape. Librarian also developing library educational program. They designs and lead diverse knowledge educational program for children, storytelling to community workshop, enriching lifelong learning for all age. And librarian also applying information ethic, upholding user confidentiality and privacy uh, to the library service, and ensuring a trusted and secure environment for information access. The last, librarian roles as mediator in the digital information ecosystem. A digital ecosystem encapsulates a complex network interconnected digital technology platform and service that interact with one another to facilitate various function and experience. Crucially, in the digital age, we stand as a trusted filter against misinformation and disinformation. Now, librarian is not just answering queries but teaching information literacy. Librarian as agent of social change. Librarian is empowering communities and has such a public library have evolved beyond repository of books into dynamic catalyst of for social change, fostering inclusion, empower, and community resilience. Score contribution library also play a multifaceted role in driving positive societal transformation across various crucial domains such as reducing information disparity, spatial support for vulnerable groups, developing inclusive library spaces, facilitating public participation and dialogue, and then community empowerment to literacy. We are actively working to close to the knowledge gap and promote intellectual equity across all socioeconomic groups. Library serve a safe, inclusive, and neutral space for dialogue, fostering the critical thinking necessary for healthy democracy. Think of programs that provide computer skill training or language classes. These are direct drivers of social mobility. National Library Strategy strengthens the librarian's role. Having defined is our role. Let us discuss the strategy to strengthen librarian roles for the future, such equitable access to knowledge, uh, enhancing librarians' capacity, building staff capacity, fostering innovation, empowering skill librarians to acquire, organize, deliver timely efficiency. I propose such as in national I just want to sharing about the National Library of Indonesia doing to strengthen librarians national traffic. We have a program with initiative such as to expanding reading resources to reach every corner to the nation, such such as thematic literacy, community service program, or we call in bahasa KKN thematic literasi, engaging community through Taylor Literacy Initiative, Community Literacy Volunteer, or we call RELIMA, Relawan Literasi Masyarakat, is mobilizing dedicated volunteers to spread reading culture to the uh, area in Indonesia. And 10 million quality reading books program is expanding access to diverse and high quality reading materials nationwide. Then I propose three core strategic pillars. It's such a technology integration, continuous professional development, and stronger community partnership. We must embrace technology not as a replacement, but also enhancer of our service, utilizing data for better outreach. These strategies ensure that we remain relevant, resilient, and responsive to the changing needs of the nation. And summarize the key is takeaway of today about the librarian contribution to national dignity is key pillar of transformational public institution is libraries serve as vital platform for innovation, learning, community engagement, driving societal progress, embodying to the ideas and involving public sector, strengthening national identity and culture, preserving heritage, promoting local narrative, and library foster intellectual discourse, reinforce national belonging and cultural pride. And library as fair, open, and transformative spaces, providing equitable access to information and resources. Library empower individual, bridge device, and inspiring lifelong learning, acting catalyst for personal and collective transfer. Uh, we have established that the social responsibility of librarian is the practical engine that drives the library's roles in upholding in the nation dignity. National dignity is measured by the quality of its information access and the intellectual freedom enjoyed by its people. Librarians are guardians of that dignity. I urge all of us to recognize the profound impact of our work and to commit once again to being active agents of change, to being active agent of change in our community. Okay, thank you for your time and dedication, and I hope may this is useful for you all. Thank you very much.